Hello and welcome to MacGyver's Grant Public Library's Healthy Ever After mission. We just read our story, You're Not Ugly, Duckling, by Steve Smallman, and it talked a little bit about being kind to other people, how you can be kind to other people, using your words and your hands. Sometimes we think of a bully, we think of somebody who maybe pushes us down or maybe hits us when the teacher's not looking, but you can really be unkind to people using your words, can't you? So that's what they did to the duckling in the story we read. So what we're going to do with your activity kit, you can pick it up here at the library. You can print it off under readsquared.com if you want to. This will be what you get. This explains the craft. You will have also a duck, and you will have some feathers. And all my feathers say, I can use my hands to be kind by, and it has a line. I can use my words to be kind by, and it has a line. So when you use your hands to be a friend, you might help a friend pick up their books when they drop it. You might give a friend or a teacher or a parent or a family member a flower when you're outside. And that's one way you could be kind with friends, with your hands. You can be kind with your words. How can you be kind with your words? What kind of things might you say to somebody that would be kind words? You could tell them that you like their clothes that they're wearing. Maybe, I like your shirt. I have a red shirt too. Or you might say, I like the way you make me laugh. I like the way you helped me with that when I dropped my books. See, you can be very kind with your words, can't you? I know you have already got so many more ways that you can be kind that you do every day. If you want to, you can write them on these feathers, and then you can glue them to your duck, and then you can keep it as a reminder of ways that you can be nice to your friends with both your hands and your mouth and your words. If you want to, you can put some of those wonderful words and some of those wonderful actions down in the comments underneath this video, and let me know what you'd like to do. Some ways that you might be a good way to help your parents with your hands and be kind is you could maybe pick up your room a little bit, and when you're not even asked to. Wouldn't that be a nice surprise for your mommy? Especially right now when we're at home a lot. She might need a little help, huh? All right, so go get your craft and get that done, and then you can earn another point towards the Healthy Ever After badge. Have a great day.